Here we're going to target the 4th grade standard for operating with fractions, where we extend our understanding of fraction equivalence, and in particular, we look at how a over b times an n over n is equivalent to a times n over b times n. So to illustrate this, we're going to use a numerical example where we have 3/5 times 2/2. And just like every other video, when we're dealing with fraction operations, we have to first build our unit of 1 so that we can compare our final result to that unit of 1 to get its true value. So to do that, we need to look at our denominators and realize that our unit of 1 needs to be divisible by 5 and divisible by 2. So the smallest number that's divisible by both of those is 10. So I'm going to build a unit of 1 that has 10 pieces in it. Once I have that unit of 1, then I can partition it into 5 pieces, and then I can take 3 of them. So I'm going to pull 3 of those off, and now I'm looking at my 3/5 piece. Now to connect to this, we're going to split this 2 over 2 into 2 different operations. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take half, and then we will iterate that result 2 times. So visually, that means I'm going to take each of these 1/5 pieces and select half of it. So that would give me this piece. I get 1 orange, 1 black, and 1 yellow. That gives me the result for this right here. Now if I now iterate this twice, then I get this shape. Notice that it is equivalent in length to the original 3/5, which is part of what we're trying to show, but now the unit size is actually smaller. So if we compare this thing that got iterated 6 times to our original unit of 1, we can see that this would partition the 1 into 10 pieces. So this length is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the tenths of our original unit of 1. Therefore, we end up with 3/5, which was our original, being equivalent to 6/10.